No turn signal right off the bat. Stupid shit. No turn signal. Nice truck. Won't last 100,000 miles, but good, nice looking truck. Here comes the speedway. Wonder which way this truck's gonna go.
Well, he has to get over.
He's either gonna turn or get over, either or, and he ain't got a signal on. Oh, he's got a load. Wonder what's gonna happen. Oh, he's finally got his signal on. He's got it. They're giving him room. They gave him room. Cop right there. Don't look Clinton though. Sheriff. That's good. Hey, they didn't look like a Clinton cop. Sheriff. Notice they got a lot of young guys working at the sheriff's department now. There's some young guy pulled up to the house across the street this morning. Speaking of which, sheriff's office. Yeah, I bet this truck's gonna fuck shit all up. What do you think, Mel? Smart guy there. I wish that hot dog stand would get back. Discount smoke shop. They got nice incense in that place. Oh, fuck. I had that feeling. I had that feeling it would be us. I had that weird feeling. This is goofy. This is goofy. I got my goofy radar going off. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, this is goofy. Watch out, everybody. Goofy can't see this through this guy. People turning up here. Oh, he's got a brake light out. He's got a brake light out. It's a DOT violation there, dude. Oh, them tires, look how wobbly that is, Mel.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how wobbly this is. Yeah, you think you're safe out here with some of this shit. Bullshit. Look how wobbly this shit is. Oh my fucking God, the tires look fucked up on this trailer. Of course, he's got
no tags on the trailer.
Yeah, good eye, Mel. No tags on the trailer. It's way overweighted. It's way overweighted. God, I wish I could get a side view of these fucking tires, man. Yeah, look at that tire wobble. Holy motherfuck, man. I'm glad we're turning soon. Of course, we haven't got off the road with this guy yet. Yeah, look at that. What do you think? A bearing going out? Hey guys, this dude right here needs to get checked out. Hold on, he's hitting them brakes again. He's got a light out, got a wobble fucky tire, probably a bearing going bad. I don't know how many people up in the city when I lived there got killed by trailers.
Mm-hmm.
Trailers coming undone, trailers malfunctioning, flying through the air. Not bad. I mean, if I had to be trapped behind something, at least this guy's a loser. Dude, you need to get your shit checked. You are a DOT fucking hazard. Be careful out on them road, guys.